Okay, I thought I'd give you a tour of my behind the scenes stamp room of how I do things. And as you can see, it's somewhat organized and somewhat not. This is a bedroom that I've turned into my craft studio. That's the closet. Inside the closet, I do have boxes that contain, some is retired, some is not. It's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of project life memories and more things that I really need to list for sale. And just other items that I've used when I was doing craft fairs. And there's my bags that I use to send out my retired product that I sell, and all of my packaging and all of that. And then if we move around this way, this is one of my IKEA shelves that I have my stamp cleaning pads on, just some things I made at the top, and boxes of items that are extras that I can use as giveaways. My wipes down at the bottom, and then this is I have two of these that I use. I really like these, and this is what I keep stuff on that I refer to back to quite often. This is my one of my crafting tables, and I'll move it along. It's kind of junky. This is I'm working on getting thank you cards sent out, as well as designing a class, and I'm working on some of the sheep dies, and this video is being filmed in August of 2021. These are stamp and storage punch holder and paper packs. One of my girlfriends gave me those, and it holds 6x6 papers. I'm not sure if she got that from them or not. And so you'll go along and see my stamps, my blends, my ink pads, and so on, my ribbon. And then this is a corner table from IKEA. This tends to be my collect all of stuff that I need to file, and I haven't done it yet. I've got, actually these are orders that are going out of retired product that I've been selling through my Etsy store. And then that's my stack of all of the end colors for the 2 years, and then more paper. And then this is my photo box that I do my photographing in of cards and items. My stamp and cut and emboss machine. This little guy, that's an old one that needs to be sold. This is retired stuff that I'm just got listed on my Etsy store, and that's in the process of being sold. I've got orders going out today. And then another corner table that I use, this is where I do my videotaping. I have mine's kind of backwards from how everybody else's is. I put because of the room, I put my umbrella in the front, and then that kind of diffuses the light. And then there's my Akron stand that I use. And another punch, those are all retired punches that I have, most of them listed for sale, some are not. And then we move over here, and these are things, I used to use these hanging chicken wire things at craft fairs, and I'd have my cards on them, but I don't do craft fairs much anymore. And then these are IKEA stands, and there is my a certificate of advancement to gold. And then these are all of my papers, and I file my stuff in alphabetical order. It's just easier for me. And then my paper pumpkins that I have a boatload of them that I need to get listed for sale because I haven't put those together. There's probably 15 of them. And then extra storage bins, that pack of paper right here on top of the Stampin' Up! Box, all of that has been listed for sale. And then these two crates are retired stamp sets that are listed on my Etsy store as well. And then this is the majority of my cards that I've already made, and then I set aside for when needed, and towards the end of the year I'll pack them up and send them off to the Cards for Soldiers. And that's the door entering. And then this part here is all my current stamp sets, and then the bottom ones that have the red dots and below are all retired. That is kind of give you an idea of what my craft room looks like when I'm in here working, and it does sort of look like a tornado's hit, but that's how it is. So I hope you found this a little inspiring. I will get it cleaned up, and if there's anything that you have questions about or need anything else, give me a call back. You can reach me at dawn@shallwestamp.com. You can message me through Facebook, Instant Messenger. All right, thanks, and have a great day.